If you've ever tried working from a laptop for long periods, you'll know that one screen quickly starts to feel limiting. Whether you're editing videos, answering emails, coding, or simply juggling far too many browser tabs, having extra screen space can completely transform the experience. Today, I'm checking out the KEFEYA P7 laptop screen extender. It's a dual 15.6-inch setup designed to turn a standard laptop into a portable triple monitor workstation. I've been testing it with my 14-inch M1 MacBook Pro to see whether it's actually practical or just another gadget that looks good in marketing photos. So in this video, I'll cover the unboxing, setup process, display quality, the on-screen controls, real-world productivity tests, and some of the things you definitely need to know before buying. The KEFEYA P7 is essentially two 15.6-inch Full HD IPS displays built into a portable folding frame. Each panel runs at 1920 by 1080 resolution with a standard 60Hz refresh rate and uses IPS technology for wide viewing angles. It supports laptops between 13 and 17.3 inches and works with Windows, macOS, Android devices, Linux, and even consoles. Unlike some older screen extenders that clip directly onto your laptop lid, the P7 uses an integrated kickstand design, which means you're not placing all that weight onto the display hinge. And honestly, that's something I immediately appreciated when pairing it with my MacBook Pro. Let's jump into the box. Inside you get a KEFEYA P7 monitor assembly, USB-C to USB-C cables, HDMI connection cable, power adapter, documentation, additional accessories depending on your region. The overall build quality is actually much better than I expected. The frame feels solid, the hinges are firm, and the folding mechanism inspires confidence. The kickstand system is also surprisingly sturdy. It allows the screens to sit independently rather than hanging directly from your laptop. Everything folds down into a relatively compact package, although you're definitely going to notice the extra weight in your backpack. This isn't ultra portable in the same way as carrying an iPad, but for anyone working remotely, traveling frequently, or hot desking, it could be a worthwhile trade-off. Setup is surprisingly straightforward, but there is one important thing Mac users need to know for my setup. I'm using a 14-inch MacBook Pro with Apple's M1 chip. The KEFEYA supports single-cable USB-C connections if your laptop supports video output over USB-C. With my MacBook, I connected the screens using USB-C cables and macOS immediately detected the displays. Once connected, head over to System Settings, Descales, and you'll see all your monitors appear. From there, you can drag them around to match your physical setup, choose which display acts as the primary monitor, and switch between mirrored and extended modes. One thing worth mentioning is that some Apple Silicon Macs have external display limitations. Base M1, M2, M3, and M4 MacBooks can only natively drive one external monitor alongside the laptop display, so depending on your Mac model, you may need a DisplayLink dock or adapter to get all screens working properly. Fortunately, my setup handled it without any major issues. The jump from one screen to three is honestly massive. My typical workflow looks something like this. On the center display, I've got Final Cut Pro open. On the left screen, I keep Finder windows and project files. And on the right, I usually have YouTube Studio, Slack, emails, or research. The extra screen real estate immediately reduces window switching, and after using it for a few days, going back to a single laptop screen feels surprisingly restrictive. The 15.6-inch size also feels like the sweet spot. It's large enough to be genuinely useful, but not so huge that the entire setup becomes impractical. Let's talk about display quality. Each screen is a Full HD 1080p IPS panel running at 60Hz. Text clarity is perfectly sharp for productivity work, web browsing, spreadsheets, and coding. Colors look good straight out of the box, although they don't quite match the incredible mini LED panel on the MacBook Pro. Brightness is sufficient for indoor use and office environments, but if you're planning to work outside in direct sunlight, you may struggle a little. Viewing angles are solid thanks to the IPS technology, and I didn't notice any major color shifting when moving around the desk. For creative professionals doing serious color grading, you'll still want to rely on your main display. But for productivity, meetings, and general multitasking, these panels are absolutely fine. Now let's dive into the on-screen display menu. The KEFEYA gives you access to a surprisingly comprehensive set of controls. Inside the menu. You can adjust brightness, contrast, color temperature, volume input source selection, screen orientation, display presets. Spend a few minutes tweaking the brightness and color profile because the factory settings might not perfectly match your laptop display. The menu itself is fairly simple once you've learned the button layout, although I definitely recommend keeping the manual nearby during the first setup. One useful feature is support for both landscape and portrait modes. That means you can rotate a display vertically for coding, document editing, or reading PDFs. The screens also support mirrored and extended display modes depending on your workflow. After using the KEFEYA P7 for a while, I think it's aimed at a very specific audience. This makes the most sense for remote workers, frequent travelers, students, content creators, developers, stock traders, anyone working from hotels or cafes. If you already have a permanent desk set up with 2 or 3 monitors, then this probably isn't replacing that. But if your office changes every day, having an entire triple monitor setup that folds into your bag is genuinely impressive. So after testing the KEFEYA P7 with my M1 MacBook Pro, here are my thoughts. The positives: huge productivity boost, large 15.6-inch displays. Surprisingly solid build quality, simple setup, great portability, flexible positioning, excellent for multitasking. On the downside, it's still fairly bulky. The screens don't match MacBook display quality. Mac users need to understand Apple's display limitations. It can consume battery quickly during longer sessions. Overall, though, I think KEFEYA has done a really good job balancing portability and usability. So that's been my experience with the KEFEYA P7 laptop screen extender. Let me know down in the comments whether you'd actually use a portable triple screen setup like this, and if you've got any questions, I'll do my best to answer them. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.